Kalab silang pa. Ayan na, sinasabi ko dyan. Dahil pagod na ako, galing ako sa shift, wala pa akong tulog. Kailangan akong magluto ng ulam. Yan, sinaritong itlog para kay ate. At sa akin, at kay Chay, ewan ko kung kakainin nila yan. Pero si Ash kumakain yan. Ako syempre kumakain yan. Si Crystal hindi. So, bahala siya. Mag-sausage na lang siya ulit. Ako, technically, wala talaga akong day off kasi Sabado Linggo, ako dito sa bahay. Nutulungan ako ni ate maghugas ng plato pero ang usapan, sa kanya lang yung mga liliit na bagay. Kutsara, tinidor, plato, platito, mga magagaan na baso. Anything na mabigat tsaka malalaki sa akin, mga mahabang sando, kaldero, ganun, sa akin yun. Rice cooker. Saka kailangan minsan tinitigos natin maghugas. Kasi putang ina, 1 litro gagamitin sa isang hugasan. So, wala pa ako pag day of pagod. Kasi, I'm cooking your food. So, fried eggplant. Is that okay? Okay. Can you clean up the table, baby? Tsaka yung mga baso, can you put it on the, put it on the sink? Tapos, clean up the table, baby, so we can have dinner, ha? I'll be finished in about 10 minutes. Yeah? Okay. So I was saying, galing pa sa trabaho kanina, pagkalagaw, konti pahinga, higa-higa. Sinamahan yung mga bata, ito si ate, hira siya ng anxiety niya. Gusto niya lagi ako kasama sa kwarto, nakahigala, babantayan ko lang siya. Pag hindi ko siya pinuntahan doon, maya siya babalik. So, she's scared to be alone though. So, I'm there, of course. And then, bumangon para maghugas ng mga plato. And then, magigitara sana okasyon, wala po palang ulam. So, ito, here we are, cooking, mabilisan. Hindi naman namin siya alagayin niya yung mga yan. Kailangan talaga pinaprepare ng food because they don't know how to cook. Yan. Chay, she's sleeping. And she'll only go there when she's hungry. If she sees no food that she likes, she'll go back up and she'd just rather play games. And that's it. That's what she'll do the whole weekend. Tomorrow, if the kids will go to church pala, ayun. Shai will care for them. Yun yung toka niya. Church. So yeah. I don't bring the kids to church for yun ang set-up na. Ito yung magdadala ko. I think that's my only time to have complete sleep. If it's really complete, I normally get 5 to 6 hours of sleep na putol-putol on Sunday. So yung kasabayan ko yung tulog ng kids sa mga 11 p.m. tonight sa Saturday night. And then I will wake up probably 5, 4, ganon. And then what will happen is I'll prepare for their breakfast. Or pag ginana si Chay, kumuha siya bigla ng bread. Yun. Pero most of the time, wala. Then I have to prepare breakfast again. Kasi yun, pag inantok, hindi. Pag hindi, wala na yun. Yun na yung tulog natin. Siyempre yung 11 na tulog ko hanggang alas 5, alas 4. Paputol-putol yun. Kasi ginigising ako ng katawan ko. Pagdating ng alas 2. Alam niya na may shift, ganyan. So, kahit na wala kang tulog, hindi ang katawan. Kung ganun lagi. So, Monday, may shift na ulit. So, mabilis na. Parang isang araw lang yung off. Ganun. Kasi pag out ko ng Saturday, dito sa bahay, tapos pinakapahinga ko na yung tuhulog ko ng Saturday night hanggang Sunday morning. Sunday night, buong araw Sunday kasi kids time, family time. So kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Minsan nababawas pa pag kailangan ko kuha ng mga bahay sa work. Minsan. So yun, hindi maiwasan. Kailangan sa trabaho. Kailangan mag-strive. So syempre, malaki increase, maganda performance. Tapos, malay mo mga tsamba ng promotion, di ba? Better income para I could provide better for the family, for the kids. Malaki na yun. Ayan. Almost done na to. Sobrang thankful talaga ako na kahit na hindi makilo sa bahay si Chayo, sobrang sipag magtrabaho. So, she helps with the income. Kasi yun yung number one help na kailangan ko. Sa finances, hindi talaga kaya na ako lang mag-isa for us to sustain this lifestyle, no? Na we're paying for this house. Tapos, dalawang bata sa private schools. And then, yung mga payables namin every day, every week, every month. No? Kaya I'm very good with her not doing anything else. I'll extend whatever I can. Basically, ako yung marunong magluto. Ako yung mas napasensya sa pagkilos-kilos dito. I'll do it. Kasi we don't have help during weekends. So, hindi naman siya mag-adjust ng gising niya to take care of the kids, and yung kids hindi ko marunong. So, if that's the road that I have to take for this setup to work until it stabilizes when Krista is a little bit more mature and at an age na she can take care of herself and help Ate help. Siguro ganun tayo in the next 2 to 3 years pa, no? So, bata pa si Krista, yun. So, ako naman, like people around me, people that care, is telling me to take care of myself. I agree with them. I really need to take care of myself more. Siguro eating habits, less fried food. And talking about less fried food, I'm cooking something fried right now. As much as I would want to do less of the fried stuff, for the moment, ito yung mga quick fix na kaya ko, no? Hindi naman lagi yung fried food. Pag kaya ko umorder, I order. Pero financial constraints, so you need to make do of what we have. So, it's cooked. Time for us to eat dinner. Right, bye-bye.